Techno update. Subscribe now.
Flash Plus 2 review. When campaigning this smartphone, Flash is touting metal material. It's true, Flash Plus 2, especially the back, is made of solid metal. However, Flash Plus 2 is not a unibody smartphone because you can open the back cover to insert 2 SIM cards and 1 microSD. Not just metal, the revolution that brought Flash Plus 2 also comes from the fingerprint sensor. This sensor is not placed behind, but blends with the home button in front, like the iPhone. We have to admit, this sensor works very accurately and also fast. Even when just sticking a portion of a finger, the sensor is able to recognize our fingerprint. Music fans will get something quite special from this smartphone. Flash Plus 2 has a 32-bit DAC, aka 4375, making very detailed sound when using headphones. Flash Plus 2 is also supported NXP9890 amplifier to produce faster sound and detail from the loudspeaker it. In addition to hi-fi audio, Flash Plus 2 has an unusual music player app. There is a disc jockey feature in it. You can combine 2 songs to be played simultaneously. You are also given the freedom to set the song bit and speed, and add some sound effects and record it. There is a 3000 mAh battery embedded on the back of Flash Plus 2. This battery cannot be removed. Durability can produce screen on time about 4.5 hours. Fun is a feature of fast charging from Texas Instrument where 50% charging can be taken within half an hour only. Do not expect to get the best hardware composition on Flash Plus 2. But you also do not be discouraged, because Flash Plus 2 has a Helio P10 processor that is relatively new and power-saving, 2 GB of RAM, Full HD screen, and support a complete sensor, including fingerprint and gyroscope. Like Flash 2, Flash Plus 2 also still carries mobigraphy DNA through its 13MP main camera. With the support of phase detection autofocus, we feel the speed of the focus is normal. What actually feels fast is the shutter speed. From some of the photos we took using the Flash Plus 2 camera, the average results are clean. Conclusion: Flash Plus 2 is very potential to be like Xiaomi or Infinix. Offers a range of advantages with the latest features and technologies such as Full HD display, metal body, fast fingerprint sensor, and hi-fi audio.